Okay, now we're going to put our fridge cabinet up. What you'll notice here is that we've just used the shelf and a clamp, and we've just set the shelf a little bit over the fridge cupboard because it just makes it a little bit easier when you go to install it. Because now the fridge cabinet is sitting on the top of the panel. And now all we need to do is screw it off. Now that the fridge is screwed up to the panel, we've taken off the clamp and we've also taken off the shelf that's just holding it in position. Obviously if I let this go now, it'll just bow, it won't actually fall down. But it's a good idea to hold it anyway. Now what we're doing now is just levelling up the fridge cupboard, and we're levelling up to find out how much we need to take off the panel. We'll measure it from the top and then we'll take it off the bottom where it's actually sitting on the actual timber floor. So that's it sitting on the timber floor now. We're just going to take whatever we need to take off it, probably about 14-15 mil off the bottom.